yun guys, no, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video guys, tuturuan ko kayo guys paano kumita sa site ito guys. Ituturo sa inyo guys kung paano mag-sign up. Ilagay nyo po din yung email, lagay yung password, security password, then click nyo na po yung sign up guys. So yun guys, no, nakalagin na po tayo guys, no. Meron pong latest announcement ang apps na trxdig.com. Welcome to the Professional Mining Integrity Company, the only official website is www.trxdig.com. Delegate Customer Service T.me TRTCDIG 888. Your level 1 deposit 100 TRX will get 10 TRX commission. Your level 2 deposit 100 TRX will get 5 TRX commission. Your level 3 deposit 100 TRX will get 3 TRX commission. There are also level 1 to 10%, level 2 5%, level 3 3%. Income dividend recommended more users to join your promotion link will get more commission. Rewards the bonus can be withdrawn immediately unlimited. Number 1, deposit 5 TRX, 5% daily withdrawal. The cumulative deposit is 0.002 999 TRX and the daily withdrawal is 5%. The cumulative deposit is 10,000 to 900,000 999 TRX and the daily withdrawal is 6%. Number 4 is the cumulative deposit is 100,000 to 499,999 TRX and the daily withdrawal is 7%. The cumulative deposit is 500,000 to 900,000 999 TRX and the daily withdrawal is 8%. So number 6 is the cumulative deposit is 1 million to 9 million TRX and the daily withdrawal is 9%. The higher the cumulative recharge amount, the higher the rate of return. This is a long-term stable income. Looking forward to your joining. Recommended more users to join promotion link. You will get more commission. Rewards. The bonus will be withdrawn immediately. Unlimited. So yun guys, no, nandito tayo sa trxdig.com na site guys. Meron tayo total balance 800 TRX. So yun guys, no, nagtutungo tayo sa trading. So yun guys, no, nandito tayo sa trading guys na meron trading profit. Cloud mining is working. Plus 5% VIP level 1 guys. So yun guys, na magtutungo tayo sa VIP level. Current level VIP 1. TRX deposit is 0 TRX. Level of deposit quantity income, daily withdrawal rate, VIP 1. So, yun guys, meron VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5. Ito yung income nyo, 5%, 6%, 7%, 8%, 9%. Daily withdrawal is 5%, 6%, 7%, 8% to 9% guys. So yun guys, no, nagtutungo tayo sa ating share. Dito sa share guys is pwede kayo mag-invite ng friends nyo to earn rewards. For example guys is kakopy nyo yung link, then i-send nyo sa mga friends nyo in social media like Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. So yun guys, no, meron ditong pupunta tayo sa mine guys. So meron VIP level 1 guys, 100 TRX yung total balance natin. May deposit dito, withdrawal. TRX deposit quantity is 0 TRX. Charge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. So guys, ang apps ito ay merong F service. May team, finance records, transfer to basic, share, notification. So yun guys, turo ko sa inyo guys kung paano mag-withdraw dito guys. So click natin ito guys. Deposit. So yun guys, nandito tayo guys. Then copy natin yung copy address. So yun guys, magtutungo tayo sa ating Binance. So yun guys, no, nandito tayo sa Binance guys for paano nga ba tayo makaka-withdraw dito guys. So click natin itong wallets. So yun guys, nandito tayo sa wallets guys. Meron dito 3 types guys, deposit, withdraw, and transfer guys. So yun guys, click natin itong withdraw. Ito guys yung TRX. Send via crypto network. So yun guys, nandito tayo sa send TRX to crypto address guys. So long press natin guys yung link sa site. Guys, nakapin na natin yung link sa galing sa site guys. So, lagay po natin yung minimum. So, yung guys, nakapin natin guys. Lagay po natin minimum guys dito guys. Tignan natin yung withdrawal guys. Then, confirm guys. Then guys, malalabas na verification dito guys. Code will be sent sa number natin guys. Code will be sent to sa Gmail natin. Then, click na po natin yung send code. So, yun guys, okay na guys, no? Napaka-legit talaga ng apps na ginamit natin guys. So, ano pang hinitin nyo guys, mag-sign up na po kayo guys. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po sa lahat ng mga video